you waited till it broke this wick where actually it was this body. See these bodies?
Yeah.
This is where the buy is because the sellers pushed them back down to this body. So this is why I have it leveled in gold here. This
Yeah.
this is actually the move, right? So this is where you wanted to wait for it to break above. This
I
is
got
the
you.
move. Yep. Just like
Okay.
right here. So it stayed above. So this is support, right? So it went all the way up. This is where your profits are. It came back down, right? It tried to break through and it could not break through and hold. And now we're getting a pop back up where it will try to make new high a day again. You can see sellers have pushed it down, but this is a very small interim. Again, if it can't hold this level, because of this candle, let me show you. This is what you guys all need to be thinking about this constantly and forever. If this cannot hold, look at this. See this? This is what's going to happen. This is why I said if it cannot break and hold, or if it cannot hold support at this 163.44 ish, you're going to have this, right? Again, your entry was okay, but you're doing a lot of things that you're going to struggle with. Too big a position size. You're trading in one of the largest accounts that there are. You're trying to scalp, which is the hardest thing there is to do, right? You see how like everything is going against you right now, right, partner?
When I got out, and of course, here we are again.
The thing is you should have got out here when you were up, not waited till
Yeah.
you were down. Do you see what I mean? Because then you put yourself in a vulnerable position where you should have just made money. Because even if it came back here to go flat, you should have been, this doesn't look good. Why is this pulling back? Where are my levels at? What should I be looking at? Right?
Yeah.
So,
Absolutely.
yep,
Okay.
yep.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. Great question, though. And I know it sucks, but hopefully I helped you and a lot of other people because trust me, a lot of people will be in that same position. Scalping everybody is very hard. Scalping options is even harder. So the best thing to do when you're got your training wheels on or you're using a small account, go with small priced stocks, go with shares only, go with 2-minute EWO because it's going to help you with a couple things. It's going to help you minimize risks. It's going to help you to get that, the time you need in front of the screen. So you're getting a lot of screen time. It's going to have a slower developing move so you can start to understand the ebbs and flows of what these things do. Look at right here. AMD is on a double top. So right here, wouldn't this have been a great spot to collect your money because you already knew it pulled back from here, right? But if you're not a master scalper, you might not know that. You might not know, hey, this is where I need to shed or get out. We do because it's already giving us every one of these indications. This is the channel, right? And we knew that because we're master scalpers and we know exactly what to do, don't we, master scalpers? Because if you don't, you're not allowed to do it, right? Just so you guys know, if I go in heavier on a scalp, it can be with under 3 seconds. If I go in a heavy scalp, 3 seconds maximum.
Bingo.
All I need is one candle. One, if I bought here and a candle, and then right here it paused, I'm out.
People make the mistake that they think the other candles are going to be just as productive.
Right. And they're not.
They're not.
Yeah.
The majority of the gain, right? If you're playing
That's right.
probability,
Yep.
majority of the gain is in that first candle.
That's right. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And this is the push, right? This is the big gamma push right here. This is the money. So if you sell it when it stops or slows down, you make your money. But guess what? If you even wait for it to pull back to here. So maybe right here you were up, $100, right? We'll say this is $100 if you sold the second it stops, because I always do that. And you always hear me say I do that. But if I wait till it pulls back to here, this thing can be $0 or $10. So the difference between I made an ass load of money or not is selling it when it peaked on that nice speed run, or waiting for it to go back and go, oh, I guess I didn't get it. And then you're red or you made nothing, right? It's that quick. It is that quick. Otherwise, you go in smaller positions, starter positions on support and resistance levels. We watch it go up. We sell them off. We see if it comes down. It did. It reversed correction, sold off, broke above, back in my calls. Here we go, and my stops below. That way, no matter what, I'm good to go. because your channel was broke. We already said if this is your channel, we trade it until it breaks one way or the other. And then, go the other way. And now you're making money again. And if you can't do all this, if you can't think this fast, if it's not clicking, if you don't understand and you don't, right here, sell. You see the difference? Giant candle, sell it. Mine, my money. Oh, but coach, I was going to wait and see if it was going to continue to run and make another $8 million. Wrong, you're scalping.